Hi guys, welcome to my channel Rhebhecz. Today we are here in parents' house. We will update the house here guys. So we will start outside. Ayan, I'm here again to update this house because I had a video since the beginning of the construction of this house guys. So where my parents live. Ayan. So they already do the second floor. So this is the outside. This is the road here. And they already put a glass here guys, so for the store someday. Glass and a screen. Here a screen. So this is the entrance gate. Let's go inside. Ta-da! Ayan. There's already a screen here guys. So the lock of this one is inside. Charot. Ayan. So they also have a screen door here. My father here inside. And there's already a paint for the door. It's color brown. Oh, nice. They have a screen. Yeah, and my father here, guys. He's here alone because mother is in the store. So, this one is for the upstairs. Window. Bintana ni Pano? That's window. Hello. Hello, guys.
Hello, guys. Hello.
Galuya. Way ligo sa papa. Waka na ligo. Merkulis. Ayan. There's already a paint here because that time when I had a video I'm showing you there's really the rain shower will come here, so it really damaged the door. Kanita nang portahan pa 350 nilang pintal. 350. 350 for the paint for this one. But nangayo man to sila add-on. Mo lagi. Ayan. So there's also a screen door here. Tagpila ning screen door pa. Wala na si kuan blocky diri. Pa wala nimo ilis di ang kuan pa filter. Itom na kayo. Ha? Abot lagi si blocky diri. Kay abri na diana. Ayan, they already put a hollow block here because another house living there is very near, so they put a hollow block. And that's the outside for the exit guys. And my father doing a washing. Inay pa man di ang tubig pa oh. Ayan, this is the room that I stay before. I told you before it's a stock room, but someday they will make a store here. Ah, gibutangan mag-screen. Charot. Isa ra lagi ka screen ni pa. Inig abri sa isa ka portahan. Oh, naay sili diri. Sili ni atsal. Sili ni atsal. Sili na. Ay sili di ay. Na, kansyong na daplig kalsada, hurot na. Okay.
Mau mari sulod kawasan pa niyo.
Asa?
Pagawas ba?
Dili, dito naman di man po na musulod good kay kuan man. Kansyong naman po na ni tubo diyan ng daplig kalsada. Hurot na. Mahurot na. Kasi gitano man na or ni tubo ra na. Tubo ra na? So if anaon ang kuan, pwede na screen o ana na lang pa para hangin. Wala siya lock? Wala din nila? Wala oh.
Away ka na laglas.
Ayan, nice. Ano na lang.
Ako gaplano.
Wow, ikaw ga plano. So this is my that time guys. This is my room. 1 meter. Wala na ko yung room. Here also there's a door.
Sira with the screen.
Screen. Yan. So my father the one who arranged that. So there's also a paint here, guys. Yan, all doors have a paint. Puro brown. Puro brown, no? Yan, mag-relax, relax na si Papa dili busy. He's busy always in the church meeting, senior citizen meeting. Kanos Mamayo. Kagaya niya ko. Ipadpara na ni mo? Oh, look at the ref. There's a lot of ice. Toy ice po dito. I-deliver na ni mo ni mama? I-deliver na ni. Aga mo po ditong ice. Charot. Uy, wala ko ni mo tagaig tuba pa. Guys, my father have a coconut wine. Wala ko ni mo tagaig tuba. Look at this side. Ayan. So, there's a screen here. My father not yet selling, guys. Because this is actually ayan. Ayan, how to open. That's like that sliding door. Let's see. So there's a building permit 2021. 2021 they built this one, so 2023 already. Yeah, no need to put a screen there because there's a screen here and screen there. So just only have one line. So for now, it's a stock room. Pa, malimtan niya ni mo ni diri pa. Siradaan na lang ni oy. Ha? Lagi ba niya? Siradaan ni mo. Onya. So, a little garden here. My father really want me to video upstairs, guys. Look at that. There are baby chick. Ayan. 2, 4, 6, 8. Chick. Ayan. So, there's a malunggay here. This is the one that I bring, guys, from the sea. It's already have a leaves. My sister planting that one. So, here, there's another one pig replaced from the pig that I used on my birthday. That time. Oy! Oh, sorry, pig. You're shocked. Hello. Ayan. There's a rooster. Dongi like her because there's a pig, a rooster, chicken, another baby pig. We will take lunch later, guys. That land there is still for sale, though. That one. I don't know. Look at the coconut trees. Yeah. We just ate the other day with the boko. Look at the rooster legs. Oh. Very big rooster. So we go upstairs, guys. Ayan, that's the upstairs. Look at the sky. No, rabbit. That's another stock room there. Let's go upstairs. Plata. Oro, plata, mala. Oro, plata, mala. Oro, plaka, mala. Oro, plaka. Is that plaka, guys? I don't know. Yeah, they already paint this one. The workers already go home because they arrived down here 6:25, so they go home around 10:25. that's already witness. Natulog si... Natulog ka ha. Hello. Dog. Bilar. What happened to the chicken? What happened to the chicken of father? No here. Oh, there's also a sugar cane here. My father or my sister planted sugar cane. The washing machine that damaged. We will guys, we will check the coconut where my father getting a coconut wine here. Look at that. they did not let this one to have a fruit. They let this one to have a wine. So that's like that there. They already drank and make into vinegar. Oh, there's another one to do. Ayan. That's small but give already a coconut wine. Small coconut. This is the neighbor guys. This is for sale. 2.5 million. My God. It's so expensive. They only buy that one cheaper, but it's so expensive. They're selling it. Yeah. Here the screen is only like this. Just like that, the screen here. We are in exit area. So when doing washing, the water goes. So this is the for sale. They have like a 1, 2 rooms. So to be aware or that anybody living here or doing construction or what, so at least there's already a block here already closed. Because that's not the area anymore. But there's one little left there. And so that's like that, guys. Let's check here. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all my update for April 19, 2023. I think 19 or 18. I forgot. So, look at the flower. Nice. Ayan, so that's all, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Yan, I'm here in mother's store, guys. Look. Walay dagkot. Butang iog no smoking, ma. Asa naman akong red horse? Wala na ni mo refill ang red horse, ma? Shout out! Dudong! It's very sunny today, guys. Look. It's so sunny. That's the port. Mansing store. It is done, og. Yan, mga to na to. Let's go, let's go. Bye-bye. The small store of mother. Neighbors of mother. So I will buy a charcoal, guys. Bye. Ayan, look at the weather there. Yeah, nice weather.